Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time, today with a very actually serious episode. We're going to talk about drone etiquette. There's no fun at all in this episode. Let's get this episode started. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to in the future never miss any of my upcoming episodes. Again, stay tuned and fly very safe and enjoy this informative video. Rule 1. Always ask for a permission and respect other people's private property. When flying a drone, you often end up filming exciting locations. Many of them, especially the urban ones, cannot be shot without illegal permission though. Even parks and other public places may have restrictions for drone flyers. Give your authorities a call and check available apps before you fly and avoid trouble. Rule 2. Avoid the crowds. It's been said everywhere. Don't fly over crowds, even though there are plenty of different definitions of what a crowd is, but I don't actually want to care too much about a specific number now. Simply stay away from highly frequented places, might that be a concert, a stadium, or the crowded shopping street in your city. Worst case, even though our drone's technology is already very advanced and it happens rarely, things can end up like this. And you really don't want that to happen, do you? Rule 3. Never fly near disaster zones, airports and heliports. It should be self-explaining, but not every drone owner might have thought about it yet. So let me remind you, never and under no circumstances fly above or even near a disaster zone, an air or heliport. Keep in mind that some hospitals have heliports when planning your next shoot. Completely erase these locations from your list if you're not having a special permission to stay safe, avoid trouble and cause no harm. Rule 4. Be nice. When people approach you for the 100th time with the very same questions. You know these t-shirts that answer the most frequently asked questions about drones? Better don't wear them. Be friendly and talkative with people who have questions. Never forget that you are representing the drone community and are an ambassador of our hobby. Don't hesitate to answer people's positive approaches, even if the questions might be totally basic or silly. Leave a good impression. And if you feel like wearing a drone shirt, how about this one? Because there's of course nothing wrong with wearing a drone shirt at all. And how about this one? The design of this one is my favorite. Check out my new Drone Flyers t-shirt collection on tomstechTime.com/apparel. Plenty of handcrafted designs for drone pilots just like you. Rule number 5. Don't be disruptive. What reminds people like us of a friendly humming bee might sound like an aggressive wasp to others. Especially in nature, try not to annoy walkers with the soundtrack of your drone. It's okay that you fly your drone and that it makes noises. Almost no one is going to get angry about that, but don't chase people around or fly right above their heads in close proximity. Rule number 6. Use common sense. Keep in mind that our beautiful hobby is still new to most people and that many negative media reports, most of them false, have caused people to suspect drones and their pilots of spying and disrupting the air traffic.
Nationwide, 109,000 registered users own more than 1 million registered drones.
Spy inside people's homes, even going right up into the windows and looking at your most private moments.
So far this year, pilots have reported 2,000 drone sightings.
Anybody can stick a camera on a drone, so now creeps are doing something pretty creepy.
A drone hitting an aircraft of any size is potentially a life or death situation.
You're a target on the second floor too. Sitting in the tub, this could be a pretty intimate moment, and the drone, even all the way up here on the second story, is watching.
Be nice even if people are angry. Try to talk to them, explain drones, calm them down, let them have a look on your screen. Approximately 8 out of 10 people you will be able to convince that flying drones is something beautiful rather than a threat if you give people a second chance. And even if you can't convince people, stay calm and professional at all times. Thank you guys for watching this episode of mine. Now don't forget to leave a thumbs up and of course don't forget to subscribe to never again miss any of my upcoming episodes again. And while you now look for the subscribe button, I'm gonna briefly jump out of this overdressed outfit. Did you find the subscribe button already? Wow, the tie was really too much. Now don't forget to check out one of my other videos, and if you're still watching, then you should ask yourself why. Because I'm gonna stop undressing right here.